Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be solving a Putnam question. It is a previous year question and it's a probable question that might come in JEE because this is a calculus question and more of like a brute force type of thinking question. So do try it out before looking at the solution and then we can try it out. Okay, so I believe you have tried, and let me start with the solution. So first things, if you analyze this all these three equations nicely, you would be able to see that after I take the LCM in the right hand side, I would be left with f dash gh is equal to something, f g dash h is equal to something, and f g h dash is equal to something. Now this is a hint to f g h dash, because when you differentiate this by using u v w x y z, whatever rule you want to apply, everything you can take n minus 1 things as constant and one thing as the variable. So clearly I can just say f dash gh plus f g dash h and f g h dash, right? So this whole quantity, if I add all the equations, I should be left with f g h dash, right? So my first equation, or I can even do it here, that this would be f dash gh is equal to 2f square g square h square. One second, let me use another color. Yeah, okay. So f dash gh is equal to 2f square g square h square plus 1, and similarly f g dash h is equal to f square g square h square plus 4, and the final term f g h dash is 3 f square g square h square plus 1. And now once you add these up, you should be left with f g h dash is equal to 6 f square g square h square plus 6. So f g h dash is equal to 6 f g h square plus 6, right? So I can just take f g h to be some psi of x, and then I can just write this equation that right, and this is a normal differential equation, right? So I can easily solve this and I should be left with this, such that y is psi of x, which is fx gx and hx, right? So I have been given all these constants, so I can clearly say that f gh of 0 is equal to 1. So putting this here, I can get that 1, so pi by 4 is equal to c, and therefore y, or fgh of x is 6 times x plus pi by 4 tan of this, right? So it is tan 6x plus pi by 4, right? Okay, now I want to find this thing. So for this, I clearly need to work on the first equation because that deals with the differential of f, because I'm talking about f. And honestly, this question can be solved even if instead of f there was g and if there was h, because all the equations, like, you need to have you need to at least develop this bit of intuition to say that f, g and h are equal in their weightage in these equations. So even if I had to solve for g or h, I could have solved it. So for f, I definitely need to work on the first equation, which is given to be f dash, one second, Yes. So the first one is f dash is equal to 2f square gx dash is equal to f square gh plus 1 by gh. Yes. Okay. So now the main thing that we had to do here was f dash by f is 2fgh plus 1 by fgh, dividing the whole equation by f. And if you found this, well, this was the only thing that you actually needed to think about, maybe. So if you thought about this, then the question is simply over, because this is just 2 tan square 6x plus pi by 4 plus 1 upon 6x plus pi by 4, right? And this is f dash x by fx, and then you can integrate on both sides. So yeah, so this should be tan square 6x plus pi by 4 plus or wait, why am I even doing that? So ln fx is equal to, okay, so I need to find oh, okay, so I'll just use the constant thing instead of using definite integrals. That would be a mess. So 2 tan 6x plus pi by 4 and cot 6x plus pi by 4. Yeah, so I think this is pretty much solvable. Like, I don't need to explain after this. I hope you can work your way after this, right? So yeah, I think yeah, I can leave this. So yeah, I think this was a good question. I'll be coming up with similar questions, so hang around. Thanks a lot for watching.